Even though titanium is heavier and denser than aluminum, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will receive a new titanium frame, as we witnessed yesterday. The phone will be lighter than its predecessor, which is fantastic, but what about the ordinary S24 and Plus? Although Samsung will not employ titanium in the ordinary S24 owing to financial restrictions, the phone will see a slight design update. The slight outward curvature in the center of the S23 will be replaced with a flat frame on both the S24 and S24 Plus, according to Universe. It won't be completely flat like the iPhone 14, but it will have a slight curvature at the edges like this phone from a Chinese company called Miso, and it's safe to say it'll look like Samsung's new foldables, the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 flat frame with a slight curvature at the edges. The S24 and S24 Plus will also have narrower bezels than the 2023 versions, which will be combined with the new flat frame. I'm sure the new phones will look fantastic. However, the S24 Ultra will not have a flat frame because to the curved screens. According to ICE Universe, the S24 Ultra will get a 50-megapixel teleporter camera with 3x optical zoom, but this camera is expected to use a larger waterboard 2.52-inch sensor, possibly the ISOCELLGM5. For contrast, the 1/1.352-inch 10-megapixel sensor found inside the S23 Ultra, even the S22 Ultra or even the S21 Ultra seems really weak, but at least on paper. So what does this mean? Well, the biggest sensor size and high resolution are expected to produce great picture quality even at non-native zoom settings such as 5x zoom. Because, bear in mind, this is the only sensor that will operate when the zoom levels range from 3x to 10x. Because to the 4-in-1 pixel bidding technology, the 50-megapixel teleporter camera on the S24 Ultra is intended to improve low-light photography even at 3x zoom. This means the super pixels will be bigger than the standard pixel size, making it better for low-light conditions. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.